Good morning, students. Welcome to Abhyaas LawPrep. In today's video, we are going to talk about a course introduced by MNLU Nagpur. It's called LLB Honors in Adjudication and Justice. MNLU Nagpur already offers two other courses, which are BLLB Honors, the regular one, and DBLLB Honors. Now, how this course is different, or why you should get enrolled in this course, what are the factors which you should consider before getting enrolled in this course, what are the benefits of this course, and what is the outcome which you are expecting from this course, and how the structurization of this course would help you in achieving that outcome. We're going to talk about all these aspects in this video. Uh, MNLU Nagpur has introduced BA LLB honors in adjudication, and I think the key objective of this course is to train the students in such a way, the undergrad students in such a way that they find themselves fit to join the judiciary. We already know that in 2015, the Supreme Court, in the same judgment which dealt with constitutional validity of NJAC, has laid that there is no prerequisite for anyone in terms of how many years they should practice before they become judge. So, in simple words, what I mean to say is earlier to join as a junior civil judge, you need a practice of 3 years in courts, or if you wanted to join higher judiciary, 7 years of experience in practice was mandatory. Now, for junior civil judge, this 3 years has been removed. Although the 7 years for higher judiciary is still in practice, but for 3 years, the 3 years mandatory practice period for junior civil judge has been removed. What is the outcome of this? The outcome of this is that the students can straight away after the graduation, the very next time after the graduation, they can start their preparation for judiciary, and they can appear for judiciary without any prerequisite as to practicing, and they can qualify this exam to become judge, the junior civil. Now, the key features of this course is that this course tend to provide you such training which would help you in becoming an able judge. An intensive and exhaustive practical training with regular internships and judicial clerkships and 6 months of mandatory apprenticeship in semester 10. So, so this course has 10 semester, out of which the final semester, the 10th semester, there is no theory classes, but you have to do mandatory an apprenticeship under a guardianship of high court justices and district court judges. Apart from that, your internship will be structured in such a way that you do your internship in such a way that it would help you to become an able or become a to develop traits of becoming an able judge. So if you look at what makes this course different, if you look at some of the subjects here, constitution is something which is a very key subject in other law graduation course, but here instead of constitutional law, the subject is constitutional vision of justicing and theories of justice. Now we have known over past few years that how judicial activism has paved its way out of the uh, constitutional mandate or the words of the constitution. So subjects like this, criminology, victimology, and theories of sentencing, principles of environmental justice. So the subjects are structured in such a way that they emphasize more on uh, developing those qualities which will help you in becoming a good adjudicate. Rather than knowledge-based training, these subjects tend to provide with you a mind of developing the reasoning and questioning skills, which are very important to become a judge. Uh, so, so this course is different in two aspects. One is the internships. You will not be interning with any law firm as such, but you will be interning in such places which would develop uh, your traits specifically to become a good judge. And the subjects are also structured in such a way. And second thing is a mandatory apprenticeship in semester 10, which also has a credit values. That means that in your final semester, which is semester 10, you have to mandatorily appear, or you have to mandatorily do the apprenticeship under the guardianship of High Court justices and district judge. Based on that, you will be evaluated, and your semester 10 marks will be exclusively drawn from that particular aspect. Uh, so, even though MNLU Nagpur is part of the CLAT consortium, this is something to be taken care of. Even though it's part of the CLAT consortium, this particular course, the BLLB honors in adjudicating and justicing, this adjudication and justicing, for this course you have to enroll separately. By that, I mean you have to separately go to this particular link and you have to apply there. What are the conditions, what are the prerequisites to apply? You should have appeared for CLAT 2023, which was conducted in December 2022. You should have appeared in that. You should have 45% marks if you're general, in your 10 plus 2, which is your 12th class, and 40% if you're from uh, OBC or PW. Uh, the vacancies for this course is 60, out of which 23 are unreserved. You have to go to this particular website. You have to apply there. The application fees is 1500, and based on those applications, almost 300 top students will be segregated, and among those 300 students, a screening and shortlisting will be done through group discussion. In group discussion, both the group discussion and the screening and shortlisting are online processes, so you need not attend physically at the MNLU Nagpur campus. So through this online mode, your group discussion will be taken. After group discussion, almost in the ratio of 1:2, students will be segregated, and those 1:2, that means 120 students will be called for personal interview, which will be conducted by sitting honorable judges of justices of high courts and psychologists. So an expert panel will evaluate you for your in your personal interview. After which a final list will be published. And those who make it into the final list will be admitted into this course. Uh, so let's have a look at important dates here. So the notification was out on March 1. The last date to apply is March 31st. So please keep it in mind that by March 31st, you visit that particular link which has been provided in the notification. In the comment, in the description box also we will provide that link. You can go to that link. You have to apply. Uh, After which GD will be conducted on 18th and 19th, 2023, which will be in online mode. And based on that, a second shortlisted role will be out for students who has to appear for psychometric test or the personal interview. Based on which a rank list will be published by May 10, for which you can join this particular. So that's all for this video. We'll meet in next video with such other interesting notifications if something comes out. We'll focus more on what are the key aspects of such notifications in future. For more such updates, stay tuned to Abhyaas Law. Thank you.